Master the art of storytelling through characters, backgrounds, and props. Create artwork that evokes emotion and delivers unforgettable scenes that leave a lasting impression. Hey there, I'm Kaz, an illustrator, specializing in designing iconic characters in visually captivating scenes. I'll share my insights on various anatomical structures to give your characters a greater range of dynamic expressions. We'll cover how to increase the level of details on your artwork, as well as creating depth to make your work more visually engaging. We'll start by harmonizing colors by using color contrast to create compelling compositions that evoke emotions. Can't wait to share my tips and tricks to design iconic characters in visually interesting scenes. I'm Kaz, an illustrator, and I'll be waiting for you at Colosso.